Again, I'm sorry. I just can't help it. I really like this game and I didn't want to wait till I had to record. So I went off screen and a gadget, or not gadget, Clank, he got this new ability where he could turn any gadget bot into gadget bot he wanted. So we met a new type of bot. We met the bridger bot that can make a bridge, and we had some references to the power bot and the spring bot. And now if he finds a gadget bot, he can change those into any type of those three as he wants. And then right here on this super cool platform, we found what we needed, the Magna boots. So as soon as I get back, we're gonna head out. What I wanted to check was this. I completed no missions yet. Wait. Hey, there are two entrances to this. This was the entrance from before. Pretty sure I completed my mission of...
You need to wear the Magna boots himself. Clank, return them to Ratchet.
Ratchet, what's your status on Operation Falling Star?
We got a little distracted. We're on it.
Cool. Now, I'm not gonna do anything on this planet right now. What I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna go straight
I'll punch in our new flight coordinates.
to Veldin. Now, I guess there are no more available objectives. But what there is that Magna boot area. And while I'm here, I'm also try out the Groovatron on every single thing. Yeah, one of the trophies is try out the Groovatron on every single enemy. So while I'm here, I'm also try it on every single enemy. Oh yes, please. Gold bolt. I knew it.
Hey.
7 gold bolts. That's what I like. Now, that's a cliff, but that isn't. Oh, I should have done the glide thing. Oh. Let me do the glide thing real quick. Right here. Oh, okay. Dance! Yeah, dance! Oh, I got some moves too! Oh, shoot! Was this bridge always broken? Can't remember. But there's that way, which is possible. I know it's possible, okay? Okay? Can't tell me it's not possible. Anything is possible. Oh yeah, like I said, anything is possible. Now, do the Blorgan drop ships count as like a certain, like an enemy type? And what the heck are those things? I don't know if that counts, so I'm just gonna do this. Doop. Okay, so you can't go over there. Which means I have to go back the other way. But thank you guys for letting me use the Groovatron on you. Get out of my way. I didn't make it. Didn't make it. Do I get transported back to my ship? No. Thanks. Oh, yeah, it's gonna type it right now. What? There is no way to go. I don't feel like dying, so I'm gonna say everything's peaceful and that there is and should be no possible way to get over there. So I guess I need this time to die so we can go back to the ship. And the next planet we're going to happens to be the next planet.
Let's pick a new planet.
Nivali. You must push the normal controls in the options menu. Ooh, ooh. In the options menu. Why is it still on fire? No, whatever happened to those robot dinosaur things? Here they are. You're a type of enemy up there. Goodbye. Goodbye. I just wanted to try out the Groove on all you enemies slash enemoos. Sorry, I meant enemy. That made no sense. Now I'm gonna go use this on those Blargian soldiers that are over here because we all know that there are Blargian soldiers. Okay, so they're obviously not here. So this was just a big waste of my time. That's all this was a big waste of my time. Big waste of my time. Should've known, cause the Blargian soldiers are no longer here to attack. That guy's not even here anymore. What if I would be here? I came to visit. What? Okay, I guess I'm just going through all the planets.
Ready to fly, just need some coordinates. The Blarg are all cleared out of Kurwan.
I'll go back to Curl when I have to, but I feel like I'm gonna go to Iridia, just to get the Magna Boots, or to use the Magna Boots and get that third gold bolt. That's what I need to do. So now we're officially done with Velden and the Valleys. Never have to go back there again. Or at least I hope we don't. Right here, main shop. Consider that being used. What's the point of this? There's no gold bolt. There is no gold bolt anywhere. Was there no point to this? Was there no point to this? What is this? Locked? What do you mean it's locked?
This thruster bolt would remain inoperable until Ratchet found a thruster pack.
Gosh darn it! trying to find out a way to get across that stupid lake. No, that's not what I wanted to do. There's no way to get past that, I'm guessing. Oh, what? Whoa! Hole card. Parisitor. You have enough duplicate cards to trade for a new card. Press triangle to start trading. Trade for a card, select the card and hit X. Good luck completing your collector. Let me look for one that I have 2 of. 2 and 2. And I'm gonna complete this one. My fusion game. Trophy earned. Trade up, baby. Can I like go for another one though? Oh. Okay. Oh god. Please leave me alone. I would really like to leave. Goodbye. But I just want to leave this place, okay? And go home. Or I shouldn't say home. Let's just say I'm done playing this planet. I just went the wrong way for some reason. Let's go. Oh my god. That's funny. You keep dancing. Next area.
Ready to fly, just need some coordinates.
Where'd it go? Okay, so I've completed 2 planets. Okay. I think actually I'm just gonna go back to Nebula now because I don't know what else to do. You may switch to normal controls in the options menu. Okay, thank you for the advice.
And so our heroes return to Operation Falling Star. Their mission, to seek out and destroy Drek's top secret experiment.
I got all kinds of stuff to make heroes more heroic. Take a look. That ought to do it.
Completed. Darn, I just need one more. Yeah, that's fine.
Mr. Zircon is here to kill.
That's great. See, every time I freaking summon Mr. Zircon. Anyway, let's go.
Perhaps the trespasser will be useful here.
Okay, cool. So I just can't let these lasers block the other lasers, but we already learned this in the last. Actually, we already learned this earlier today. Cool. Bolts! Love me some bolts!
Attention scientists! Chairman Drek here. I just
Oh
for
god.
all of your hard work these last few months. I may be your leader, but I am nothing without the tenacious Blarg here and the weapons you're creating will help mark the beginning of a glorious new era for our time.
Mr. Zircon, how can I freaking make these people dance? You keep getting in the way.
All available units, go to research station 5. The creatures are creeping through the ventilation system, and I need backup.
You don't like dancing? Well, I got something special for you. That was fun. I'm so smart. Oh.
You're doing great, Ratchet. Keep going. I'll be with you every step of the... Oh, come on! He was out of bounds! Open your eyes, ref!
That's so messed up. He's sitting there watching something. He's watching football. Oh, we're over here risking our lives. Idiot. But who cares? I got a new hall card. I'm guessing it's Rhino. Rhino card acquired. That's nice. Let's go. That's nice. I like that. How dare you knock me off? What is the matter with you? How about if I go this way? Hall card. Is this another Rhino card? Oh, it's a Hall card back. Options. I have 3 duplicates now. No, no, how dare you die? How dare you? You're not allowed to die. I don't care about your family. It doesn't matter, you're not allowed to die. Do you even have a family? You don't have a family. You're still not allowed to die. You what type of enemy I
What
will
is all
use,
this?
son?
It appears Chairman Drek has been growing his own army.
You're a type of enemy and I use this on you. Good, because those are like one-time enemies. So it's a good thing I used the Groovatron on them.
This is just a reminder that all projects, files, and experiments are the property of Ratchet. However, I welcome all teams. Should you disagree with this policy, feel free to voice your concern to one of the armed murderous warbots currently patrolling the halls. For your safety.
Ouch! That one hurt.
The subjects have escaped. Every blood for him or herself.
Captain, come in. It looks like Drek has been experimenting on creatures.
Ah, it'll take more than a few bucks to scare off Captain Quark. There are spiders. Are there spiders? No, I'll never get control of this bit. Mission control, where I'm monitoring you from.
Bitch, bitch, bitch. Oh crap, I'm gonna die. Bitch. Look, no. Well, before I go in here, I guess I'm gonna end this episode here. Thank you all for watching, and I will see all of you guys in the next video. Later.